Switzerland is renowned for its stunning landscapes, charming villages, and vibrant cities. Here's a list of the top 20 most beautiful places in Switzerland, each offering unique experiences and breathtaking views. 1. Zermatt in the Matterhorn. Nestled at the base of the iconic Matterhorn, Zermatt is a car-free village known for its skiing and hiking. The views of the mountain are spectacular, especially from the Gornergrad Railway. 2. Lucerne. This picturesque city is framed by mountains and situated on Lake Lucerne. Highlights include the Chapel Bridge, the Lion Monument, and a scenic boat cruise on the lake. 3. Interlaken. Located between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken is a hub for outdoor activities like paragliding and hiking. The views of the Eiger, Monk, and Jungfrau peaks are breathtaking. 4. Jungfrau region. Known for its stunning mountain scenery, this area offers access to the Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, and beautiful hiking trails in a dramatic landscape. 5. Lauterbrunnen Valley. Famous for its 72 waterfalls, including the impressive Stabbach Falls, Lauterbrunnen is a valley of breathtaking beauty, surrounded by towering cliffs and alpine meadows. 6. Bern. The capital city features a well-preserved medieval old town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with charming streets, the Zeitglogge Clock Tower, and the beautiful Rosengarten. 7. Grindelwald. A charming village in the Bernese Alps, Grindelwald offers stunning views and access to hiking and skiing. The first cliff walk provides a thrilling perspective of the mountains. 8. Montreux. Located on the shores of Lake Geneva, Montreux is famous for its annual jazz festival and the beautiful lakeside promenade, lined with flowers and palm trees. 9. The Swiss National Park. Situated in the Engadine Valley, this park offers pristine landscapes, diverse wildlife, and hiking trails through alpine meadows and rugged mountains. 10. Lake Geneva. This expansive lake is surrounded by vineyards, charming towns like Vevey and Ivoire, and the stunning Chillon Castle, a picturesque medieval fortress on the lakeshore. 11. Zermatt Glacier Paradise. This stunning observation platform offers panoramic views of the Alps and is accessible by cable car. It's the highest cable car station in Europe. 12. Arosa. A serene mountain resort known for its beautiful landscapes. Arosa is perfect for hiking in summer and skiing in winter, with a tranquil lake at its center. 13. Saas-Fee. Often called the Pearl of the Alps, this car-free village is surrounded by 13 peaks over 4,000 meters and offers excellent skiing and hiking opportunities. 14. Grindelwald. First, this mountain area offers a range of activities, from hiking and mountain biking to the first cliff walk, which provides thrilling views of the surrounding peaks. 15. Schwarzsee. A beautiful mountain lake near Zermatt, Schwarzsee offers stunning views of the Matterhorn and serves as a starting point for many hiking trails. 16. St. Moritz. Known for its luxury and world-class skiing, St. Moritz features beautiful lakes and alpine scenery, making it a popular destination year-round. 17. Appenzell. A picturesque village known for its traditional Swiss architecture and stunning rural landscapes, Appenzell is also famous for its cheese and hiking trails. 18. Gornergrad. This mountain ridge offers some of the best views of the Matterhorn and is accessible by train, making it a popular day trip from Zermatt. 19. Ballenberg. An open-air museum showcasing Swiss rural culture, Ballenberg features historic buildings and beautiful gardens set against a stunning mountain backdrop. 20. Château de Chillon. Situated on Lake Geneva near Montreux, this medieval castle is one of Switzerland's most visited historic sites, surrounded by beautiful scenery. These locations highlight Switzerland's diverse beauty, from its majestic mountains and serene lakes to charming towns and vibrant cities. Each offers a unique glimpse into the country's rich natural and cultural heritage.